Welcome! This tutorial is part 2 of managing tasks and notes in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create and edit a note. To start, go to File menu, point to New, click on Note. Suppose you want to create a note for completing your project work. Select the note, type the content, and then click on Close. To see the list of all the notes you have made, click on Notes in the navigation pane. This will show the list of all the notes you have created. You can also change the display order by selecting the current view under the navigation window. You can also customize the current view by clicking here. Click on Sort. Select the type by which you want to sort the items. Click on OK. Click OK. To edit notes, select the note and click Enter. You can also select a note by double-clicking on it. Now you can change the content of the selected note. This is how we can edit notes in Microsoft Outlook. You have learned how to create and edit notes in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.